Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. So today we will be concentrating on 4 words, and that is soon, song, state, short. So let's move on to the first word, soon. Soon as. See you soon, sooner or later, very soon. Practice every day and sooner or later you will speak English confidently. Ma'am, how soon do you want your dress done? Very soon. The sooner the better. Okay, then I'll get it done as soon as possible. Excellent. See you soon. Hoping to get a call from you soon. Sure, ma'am. As soon as it stopped raining, a beautiful rainbow appeared. Wow! Ram wants the interiors of his house to be done soon. How soon? Sooner the better. Okay, sir, we will finish the work soon. The second word is song, S-O-N-G, song. Sing a song, favorite song, romantic song, the song of the wind, the song of the birds. Wow, this is a beautiful song. I'm enjoying it. I like the song of the wind and I like the song of the birds. It's so pleasant. Swojers, please sing a song. No, I don't want to sing a song. Then will you sing a song with me? Okay, I will sing a song with you. Thank you. Do you like only romantic songs? No. Apart from romantic songs, I enjoy folk songs too. Okay. The third word is state. S-T-A-T-E, state. Solid state, liquid state, a state visit, state of the mind. Water can exist in 3 states: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Our new car is equipped with state-of-the-art technology. That means all the modern technologies. Areen clearly stated his reasons for leaving the job. Simi is in a terrible emotional state. She needs to get out of her present state. The next word is short. Short break, short story, short hair, short walk, short term, short cut. Some parents read to their children short stories at bedtime. That's a very good habit formation. Raj, I need a haircut. Is there a salon here? Yes, there is one. Let's take the shortcut. It's just a short walk away to the salon. Mick is short and skinny. I want to keep my nails short. The ball fell short of the basket. Did you see Tina? I saw Tina a short time ago. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, and take care.